Today we will study hidden goodwill. As you know, when a partner is admitted in a partnership firm, a new partner is admitted in a partnership firm, he gets a share in profits. To compensate the old partners for the share in profits that they sacrifice, new partners bring his share of goodwill. But sometimes in a question, no information is given regarding goodwill. But you have to calculate goodwill even if there is no information in the question. That is the case of hidden goodwill. Suppose we take an illustration and we will understand how to calculate hidden goodwill. Suppose A and B are old partners, they are sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. New partner C is admitted with 1/5 share in profits. C brings rupees 1 lakh as capital. Capitals of A and B after all adjustment is given as rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh respectively. There is no other information given in the question. You see in the question, new partner is admitted, he brings only his share of capital. There is no information regarding what the amount of goodwill he has to bring. But this is the case of admission of a partner, we have to calculate goodwill. So this is the hidden goodwill case. How we are going to calculate hidden goodwill? First of all, we have to find out the total capital of the new firm. Right? C's capital, new partner capital is 1 lakh rupees. C's share in profit is 1/5. Therefore, total capital of new firm will be 1 lakh into 5/1, that is 5 lakhs. Total capital of the firm we had found out the total capital of the firm. Now we will find combined capital of A, B and C, which is A's capital is 2 lakh, B's capital is 1 lakh and C's capital is 1 lakh, which is equals to 4 lakh. Therefore, the amount of goodwill will be combined capital capital of new firm, total capital of new firm minus combined capital of A, B and C, which is 5 lakh minus 4 lakh, which is equals to 1 lakh. This is the answer. This is the amount of goodwill which is hidden in the question. No exclusive information is given about the goodwill. We have to find out the goodwill, hidden goodwill. That is the amount we have find out is 1 lakh rupees. Now we will take some other information. We will take another illustration and we will calculate the amount of goodwill. We will take another question, and in this also same information we will use. A and B, all partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. New partner C is admitted with 1/5 share in profits. C brings 1 lakh as capital. In this question we will take the information as capitals of A and B were rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1 lakh respectively. Also information is given that general reserve was rupees 20,000. Profit and revaluation was rupees 10,000. In this we have to find out the solution of hidden goodwill. First we will find out the capitals of A and B after all the adjustments. A's capital is 2 lakh, B's capital is 1 lakh. Reserve, general reserve is given as 20,000. General reserve is the claim by the partners. So general reserve will be added to the capital of the partners. Also the revaluation profit will be added to the capitals. Now we have 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 40,000. Capitals of A and B after total capitals of A and B after all the adjustment is 3 lakh 40,000. Now we will have the same procedure as in the previous illustration. C's capital is 1 lakh. C's share in profit is 1/5. Therefore, total capital of new firm will be 1 lakh into 5/1, that is 5 lakhs. This is the total capital of new firm. Now we will find combined capital of A, B and C, which is 3,40,000 plus 1 lakh, which is equals to 4,40,000. Now amount of goodwill will be combined capital of new firm, that is 5 lakh, minus total capital of A, B and C, that is 4,40,000, which is equals to 60,000. This is the answer. This is the amount of hidden goodwill that we have calculated. Now we will take another illustration also. We will take another illustration. In this question, we have taken additional information of advertisement suspense account of rupees 20,000. Same procedure we will use. We will find out the capitals of A and B after all the adjustment. After all the adjustment will be all capitals 2 lakh, 1 lakh. General reserve will be added 20,000. Profit on devaluation will be added 10,000. And this advertisement suspense account is a loss. Is an already this expenditure has been happened. So this is not an asset, this is a loss, and the loss has to be borne by the partners. So loss will be deducted from the partner's capital, 20,000. So the combined capital will be 10 lakh, 3 lakh 10,000 rupees. The combined capital is now 3 lakh 10,000. We will use the same procedure. C's capital, the C brings is 1 lakh. C's share of profit is 1 by 5. Therefore, total capital of new firm will be 1 lakh into 5 by 1, that is 5 lakh. That is 5 lakh. Now we will find out the combined capital of A and B is already we had arrived. Total capital we already arrived. Now value of goodwill. Now the combined capital of A, B and C. Combined capital of A, B and C. A and B combined capital is 3 lakh 10,000 plus C's capital is 1 lakh, which is equals to 4 lakh 10,000. As you see, the total capital of the new firm is 5 lakh, but after all the adjustment, capital of A, B and C is 4 lakh 10,000. So there is a difference between new capital, total capital of new firm and combined capital of A, B and C, and this difference is the goodwill. Therefore, goodwill is equals to 5 lakh minus 4 lakh 10,000, which is equals to 90,000. This is the amount of goodwill. If you see the question, C only brings 1 lakh as capital. Therefore, there is no mention about the amount of goodwill that is being brought. So we had calculated amount of goodwill that has to be adjusted after C is admitted into the partnership firm. Thank you, students. Our topic of today of hidden goodwill is completed.